The FlexiTank is supplied in 7 different sizes. Remove all the contents from the box, including the legs, the fittings and the actual tank. Undo the zip and open the tank up to allow easy connection of the tap at the base of the tank. Only ever use the tap at the bottom of the tank. Never use any other fittings as they are not watertight. Remove the nut from the tap, push the tap from the outside to the inside of the reservoir, and then take the washer, one washer and one nut and tighten up on the inside of the reservoir. You've tightened up the tap. Allow at the end, once the reservoir is full, one more quarter or half turn to the final position. Then insert the legs in all the sleeves. Stand your tank upright. Ensure that it's sitting correctly on a nice, flat, smooth surface. There are various types of fittings supplied with the reservoir. The tap, which should only ever be used at the bottom of the tank. No other fitting should ever be used at the base of the tank, as they are not watertight. The nut can be unscrewed so that you can see 2 washers. One washer should be on the outside of the reservoir and one washer should be on the inside of the reservoir to ensure a watertight seal. Several other fittings are supplied with the FlexiTank to allow connection to downwater pipes or additional drainage pipes or additional inlet pipes. All come with 2 washers and a locking nut and caps and either a hose or lock fitting. Please note that the additional fittings are not watertight and should never be used at the base of the reservoir. Only the tap provided should ever be used at the base of the reservoir. Any fittings that are connected to the reservoir should always have a washer on the outside and a washer on the inside.